How to pull data from pictures in Excel. Yes, you can insert images into Excel easily. But what about if that image is full of data you want to place in a spreadsheet? You could retype it all, but that's going to take forever. And it's unnecessary. You can go to Data, from Picture, Picture from File to Import. Or you can even do it from the clipboard if you want to take a screenshot, Data, from Picture, Picture from Clipboard, which is handy if you see a sample sheet on a website. You'll see a pane called Data from Picture display the import analysis happening in real time, and then the data will appear in your worksheet. This works great if you have a printout of a spreadsheet or other forms, take pictures with your phone, get the image on your computer, and import it. In fact, you can import it with the Excel mobile app and then share the new file with yourself to the desktop via a service like Microsoft OneDrive.
Thank you.